Hi, I'm Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns and welcome to Sewing School. Today we are tackling the layering process of attaching the bodice to the band of our new Laura swimsuit. Rachelle is here to show us exactly how to get our stack on and get it all done. Take it away, Rachelle.
First, you'll see I have my 2 underband pieces and my bodice piece. They are all marked in the center here, and also that you can see my underband pieces have their top and bottom marks. So your pins go at the top where the single mark is. So let's see. So we start with one band. This part of mine might look a little different than yours. It depends on what size you're making, and also mine is graded to a smaller waist size than my bodice. So you're going to place this one right side up. This is the one that will be seen from the outside. If you are using a different color for the inside versus the outside, then this is your outside one. So place it face up. Then you will take your bodice. Mine is not finished. It does not have a lining. I have not put any of the elastic in it, just so that I can show you this from the video. It also makes it much easier to see the wrong side versus the right side. So you're going to put these right sides together, and you're going to match your center pin. Like so. Then you are going to match your side seams. I recommend, if you serge, to push your seam allowances to either side and pin there. And then you will see here, this is my top mark, where the bodice is ending right here. That is where you match the bodice to the mark. You see? Okay. Your underband is smaller than your bodice. You will be stretching the bodice when you sew. Okay, so go ahead and do that. Same thing to the other side. Match your side seam. Match your mark. And then lay it back out. Now you're going to take your other underband piece and you're going to lay it right sides down. So your stacking order goes first underband right side up, bodice right side down, second underband right side down. If you are using power net, this is the one that you are going to put your power net in. It is the one that will end up closest to your skin and should not be seen from the outside. Go ahead and match your center pin again, and then your side seams. And then your mark. And then the opposite side. And my mark. Okay. So when I go to sew this part right here, from the edge into your first mark, you will not stretch that. You will sew that just straight and steady. Then, you can see that your bodice is bigger than your underband. It's supposed to be like this. You need the underband is what is going to be holding your bust up. It needs to be smaller than your bodice to do so. So you are going to stretch, and you'll have to work it in. So you're going to stretch the bodice to fit between your underband like this. So stretch between your 2 pins from the mark to the side seam. Then you'll do the same thing from the side seam to the center. Stretch your bodice, not your band, until it's flat. And then sew. Same thing to the other side seam. And then again from the side seam to the mark. And then do not stretch as you finish out the back strap. I do suggest you baste this first. It makes it easier to take it out if your side seams get uncorrelated, or if you didn't stretch them properly, or any of those things. If you baste it first, you can easily take it out and retry. And then once you have it basted, then you can permanently stitch or serge it. So as a note, if you are adding a skirt or one-piece bottoms, you will notice that I have a top and a bottom mark. The bottom mark is 2. You will do the exact same thing with your bottoms. You will match your side seams here, and you will match where your bottoms start to curve on the bottom marks. Thank you for joining me.
Well, now you know how to stack that bodice and those band pieces, and now life is much easier and you can carry on with making your very favorite Laura swimsuit. We'll see you next time on Sewing School. Bye.